So good. If you didn't watch the previous video, I kind of spoiled it for you guys. Here's the new color for the Corvette, man. Finally able to show you guys. So last video I revealed the new wrap color and also showed you guys the 2026 birthday cruise event. Massive shout out to all you guys that came through, man. It was such a dope weekend. This is the color we went with. China blue from Nice Wrap, and it is honestly my favorite blue that is out there. I love this shade of blue so freaking much. It's like, it's a baby blue, but I don't know, it's weird. It has this like kind of grayish hue to it. So it's like a blue gray. At nighttime in certain lightings, it kind of looks Nardo gray. But so dope, man. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Do you guys like the new wrap for the Z06? Oh my goodness, bro. That fitment, now that it's on air suspension. Got the Workmeisters on. This car is so beautiful, bro. We got that true gorgeous spec going. Look at that fitment, man. So good. Small detail that I did to kind of complement the whole wrap and the color theme is I swapped out my black emblems for some chrome ones. So definitely matches well with the polished Meisters, and also the red on these emblems ties in with the red calipers. Nice little small detail. Coming to the front, we also swapped out the black badges as well. Emblem, badges, whatever you want to call them. Again, to match, you know, the wheels and the side emblems. And yeah, just walking around this thing, bro, this Corvette is so hot, bro. The clear tails definitely I just feel like it matches this wrap color perfect. Got the chrome badge on the back as well. And it just paired, dude, everything just flows, bro. The clear tails, the chrome badges, got the chrome Border Supply license plate. Oh my gosh, bro. So freaking good, man. I freaking told you guys I wanted to bring back the Skittles kind of, you know, wrap era theme that I always used to have going on. All my cars right now are black, so I had to switch it up. And I just feel like the good old classic baby blue was just, I had to, bro. I don't know what else to say, I just had to. Based on the comments in the last video, you guys seem to enjoy this color as well. And this is the new phase for the C6. I did a few small details on the Corvette already, but there's one more thing that I want to do to kind of bring it up to the next level, to kind of just like that missing finishing touch, that missing piece. And also another thing that I want to do, because I'm actually towing this thing up to the Bay Area this weekend. I'm bringing the Vette to San Jose to Week Fest. So that's gonna be super cool. Be trailering this thing like 8 hours away up to the Bay Area, Northern California. The heck is this? Okay, I got scared for a moment. I thought, oh, what is that? Oh, is that gum? Oh heck no. What is this? What the heck? You gotta be kidding me. That's so annoying. I'm probably gonna take a couple of Instagram pictures right now, cause this lighting is hitting. So let's pop the hood real quick. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Okay, we got a Border Supply order coming in. Shout out to Dexter Miguel. He just ordered the new Corvette tee. Also, I want to remind you guys, I dropped new merch. Brand new garage Corvette tees on the website. First link down below in the description. Goes well with the color and also the bags that we just installed. So it's super sick. Corvette tee is now live. First link down in the description. I saw that order come in, so massive shout out to Dexter Miguel. I appreciate you so much, bro. Thank you. Fire. All right, let's go ahead to the shop. Make the Vette look even better. Corvette is now in the shop. All right, so since we're taking the Vette out of town and we will be driving this all freaking weekend in a different city, this is the perfect opportunity to install my new Wolfbox G900 Tri-Pro Dashcam. And honestly, it has so many dope features that you can use. So let's go install it into the car and see what it's all about. This dashcam is not an ordinary dashcam. This is actually a 3-channel one with a 4K front-facing camera, a 2.5K rear bumper facing camera, and also a 1080p front bumper camera. All three cameras support HDR recording, which can clearly capture license plates in low light, other challenging lighting conditions, and even at nighttime. With a click of a couple buttons, you can easily connect to the built-in Wi-Fi, allowing you to easily download driving footage to your phone at any time. This dashcam offers a lot of customization in the settings, ensuring everything is running exactly to how you want it to be. You also have the option to switch between the front-facing camera, front bumper camera, the rear-facing camera, and even go to a split screen mode to have a clear view of your surroundings. Install was fairly simple. You either 3M tape the cameras to the bumper or use the supplied license plate bracket to secure it. Route the wires in the most convenient way for you, plug the power cable into a cigarette lighter port, and you're good to go. Once again, massive shout out to Wolfbox right here for sending out their dash cam, so I feel safe driving my Corvette out on the streets. They're running a lot of sales right now for Prime Day, so click that first link down below, save some money on their dash cams, let them know that I sent you and show them some love. But without further ado, we got another thing to install on the Corvette, so let's get right back into today's video. Alright, the last puzzle piece before we load the Corvette up on the trailer. By the way, sorry if I look like a raccoon right now. I literally got 1 hour of sleep last night. It's absolutely crazy. I went to sleep at like 3:30 a.m. and I had to wake up for work at like 4:40ish. I feel so bad. I feel like terrible right now. I need some sleep, but I am taking the Corvette up to the Bay Area for WeekFest San Jose. This upcoming weekend, the show is actually Sunday, June 28th. But I'm gonna be up there all weekend with the vet. We're gonna be doing, you know, some content, linking up with a couple other Corvettes that are up in the Bay Area. I'm very excited, man. You know, we got the wrap done, got the whole, you know, phase with this whole Corvette looking right. And yeah, I really wanna travel with this car. I really wanted to take this up to the Bay Area for WeekFest. So hang out with all the car friends and stuff. So I'm very excited for that. So I'm going up there on Thursday. So kind of just getting all this last minute, I guess you could say, prep done. But here's the final piece, man. We have some clear side markers. Much needed, bro. Yeah, this is gonna make such a big difference. As you can see on the car right now, we have some smoked ones and they don't look bad. You know, they match with the roof. You know, we got the whole black top going on. But nah, I just think with the clear side markers, it's gonna look so much better, especially with the polished wheels and the clear tails. Pops out easy, just snap right in, boom, just like that. Super clean, literally matches perfect with the wheels. Honestly, smoke wasn't bad. It wasn't bad because it did match with the headlights, but it's a nice little change up. Fronts are officially done. To have access to this, we just have to pop this taillight out. I've been kind of waiting all day for sunset. I posted the vet up right here at the typical spot right by my house that I always post up at, and oh my gosh, it's like peak sunset right now, and wow, oh my goodness, guys, check it out. Literally standing here getting like cinematic shots and like thinking about how far the Corvette has come in like the past month. It looks amazing. Let me know what you guys think. Oh my gosh, bro. See, like, this is what I mean. Like, this color, like, it looks Nardo. Am I tripping or not? Like, it looks Nardo gray in this lighting. Like, when the sun is kind of going down, it's like bluish gray. But, oh, dude, this thing is so beautiful. I mean, you guys have seen, like, when the sun was out earlier, it was like a pure baby blue, you know what I mean? But now it's like the color changes. Oh, so beautiful, man. I feel like this car just came along like in just this whole month, like literally. bags, the wheels, the whole wrap, like it's a whole different vibe, man. Comment down below, what do you guys think of the Corvette? This is probably my favorite angle right here. Like, oh, if I get low right there. Oh my gosh, guys. It's such a cool car, man. Yeah, this lighting is hitting right now. Nice little sunset going. It's like literally perfect right here on the car.